If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it,
Good morning, I hope you guys are doing good. We just got something delivered that I want to show you guys. Let me go grab it real quick. What the heck? Oh my gosh, they did just wrap this like it was a snowboard. And that's it. That's my snowboard that just came in, and then this is Blaine's one. So we both got Never Summer boards. We just went snowboarding for the first time.
Cue the clips.
Okay.
I miss the old Kanye, they call me gold Kanye, chop up the soul Kanye, standing on the gold Kanye. I ain't the new Kanye, the bad mood Kanye, the always true Kanye, bad in the news Kanye. I miss the Kanye, chop up the beat Kanye. I gotta say, at that time I like to meet Kanye. I invented Kanye, it wasn't any Kanye. I look around and it's a mini Kanye. I used to love Kanye, I used to love Kanye. Good job, I see you playing nothing photo, I thought I was Kanye.
We've been working on the backyard because we do want to bring some cars back there eventually, but we have 3 things in our way. So the first is a barbecue pit that we needed to break down, and we ended up finishing it. We eventually bought some actual jackhammers and we were able to bring it down all the way to the ground so it's flat. The second thing is that we have a shell that's on the side of the house, so we're gonna get rid of it. Bradley's gonna come pick it up tonight. And the third thing is that the back is a mess. I just finished cleaning up back here, and now we're gonna wait for Bradley. He just pulled up.
Yeah. Okay, slow. Yeah. Check out. Yep. Keep going. Hey, wait. Play the camera. Oh, you're right. Almost crashed, you guys. There you go. Okay, make sure you film this because we're gonna push this thing off this curb. Yep. Oh, the wheels.
Oh, you know, it's just everything. It's just everything. It's just the whole thing is bust. Oh, I thought this was a rock, but the brake pad just fell out somehow.
Okay. Let's just push it over one time. Let me pump that tire.
Glenn, go pump that tire.
Shut up.
The title of this video is Buying the Most Wassup S13
In America. Finding one hidden gem.
Yeah. It's a barn find.
Oh, I'm tired already. You got them from here.
Are you sad to see her go?
Yeah.
This is the car that I bought that came with Christine's motor. Took the drivetrain out of it and it's just been sitting ever since. It's actually a really clean shell. It's just missing a front end, like the structural part, but you can get a well-done kit for cheap. We're gonna let this thing go. I'm just giving it to him, you know? So we take care of each other like that. Anyway,
Aww.
she's gone. This car's gone, guys.
Can you climb it? to accomplish the goal of bringing some cars back here, and it actually is a lot of space. So we were able to double park cars, and then we could probably fit 2, maybe 3 more cars back here. So I'm super stoked on that, that we can work on the cars away from the main road, and it just feels a little bit safer. Eventually we'll come back and we'll make it a little bit nicer, but I'm stoked for where it's at right now.
Hope you guys all had a really good holiday as family. Today we're going to be installing something on the R34. So I've been doing a little work here and there on the car. I rolled the fenders, I did the harness tuck. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox something that I got for myself actually for Black Friday. So let me go ahead and open it right now. I ended up getting me some brand new adjustable lower control arms. Look at how beefy this thing is. This thing is freaking solid. I'm gonna go ahead and press the ball joints in. The reason why I got these is actually because I know I have the IKEA formula ones that I put on there, but I didn't realize that they're actually shorter. Even with them extended, they are the same length as like the stock arm, or maybe just a tiny bit longer. These are gonna give me the adjustability that I'm looking for. Anyway, I gotta go ahead and press these ball joints in, and then we'll get them into the car.
Who is that?
But they need to stop doing that. This is IKEA formula. This is for S14. But I didn't realize that the Skyline ones are actually longer than S14 ones. So, although they mount up, they're just gonna be shorter. So even with this extended, it's probably the length of a stock Skyline control arm, which is the whole reason why when you put it on the car, it didn't look like there's any camber, because the arm is stock or shorter and the camber is like minimal. I hope that when we put this in, the camber is gonna be a lot more noticeable. Here we go.
This right here? So what do you have to do?
I gotta go buy some super long tension box now. Spend more money. And you know what's funny?
What?
I could have bought them from GK Tech.
Really?
Yeah, we missed the Black Friday sale. I should have bought them when I bought these. Damn, that sucks. I mean, it's good because I wanted a longer arm down there, but what do you think?
Oh yeah, huh? Unless it has just enough camber.
Oh man, I don't know if it's gonna fit. The obvious solution is to lower the length of the arm. That looks sporty though, that looks kind of good. I like that.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
Well, that's it for today, guys. I'm not too sure what's going on. I do need to get longer tie rods so I can get the tie rod to bolt to the knuckle. I don't know if I filmed it or not, but I did change out the wheel hub on the passenger side because that wheel hub was bad when I swapped over to the cut knuckles. Anyway, yeah, the car's coming together. I'm pretty stoked. I really want to get this car going. It just sucks because I keep going back and forth between suspension setups and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm just trying to find out what works for me and my setup. So just bear with me, guys. This thing it's coming together slowly but surely. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and clean up. But I hope you guys are enjoying your guys' holidays. Bear with us with the uploads. You know, we're just doing life right now. So anyway, catch you guys later, all right? Peace out. Stay good.